In this video, I'm going to show you all the easiest ways to make money online as a complete beginner so you can start earning extra income daily. The first method will certainly blow your mind because you will be paid $70,000 to $80,000 per year for watching Netflix. And although that may sound hard to believe, Netflix currently employs thousands of people at this position all over the world, and as hundreds of new movies and shows come out every day, they'll need more people to watch and tag them.
What do you mean by tag them, Logan?
Well, the job title for watching Netflix is a tagger, because after you finish watching the movie or show, you will need to add category, genre, and rating tags to the content. Which means if I watched a movie like Dune 2 that is out of this world and full of action, I would tag the genre as sci-fi and adventure. Then for the subgenres, it could be drama because of the intense plot, and maybe another subgenre would be love because Timothy Chalamet was smooching on Spider-Man's girl Zendaya. Then the last thing you need to rate is its maturity level. Like in Dune's example, it would be PG-13 due to the fact it's understandable by teens, but it's too much violence for kids. So if you were hired, your daily task would be to watch new movies and shows, take notes on what they are about, then tag them with the correct info so Netflix can categorize them correctly. To get hired as a tagger, you need to apply at the official Netflix careers website, then take a test where you have to tag tons of shows and movies with their correct ratings and genres. So if you only like action movies or horror movies, this job isn't for you. You need to have decent knowledge of all genres to get paid the $70,000 to $80,000 per year. The next way to earn some money from your computer is by using AI to become a musician. And I know that sounds crazy, but hear me out. There's this website called Mubert which allows you to create songs and instrumentals about anything you want. All you have to do is give the AI a prompt like a happy guitar solo for a sunny day, then select the length you want it to be, and Mubert will create a great copyright-free song for you to use. To make money from this, you can find clients like YouTubers who need copyright-free music for their videos, or businesses who need copyright-free music for their ads. Then when they tell you the exact type of songs they need, you'll create them with Mubert AI. If you get one consistent client, it's possible this can make you a few $100s per month by simply typing in prompts and emailing your client the file Mubert created for them. And to actually get those clients, you should create a freelancing listing on Fiverr and reach out to potential customers with social media. I'd assume there's a decent market for this, but the only way to find out is by actually trying. Next up is another way to make money without much work because you'll be using AI. But instead of being an AI musician, this time you're going to be an AI website builder. This site called 10web.io allows you to create high quality websites in minutes for anything you need. All you have to do is create an account, answer a few questions about the site you want to create, and then after a few minutes of waiting, AI will build you a professional website. But of course, you're not going to be using it for yourself. You're going to be doing the same process you did as an AI musician. Find clients who need your service, aka a website built, create a website for them using AI, then get paid well for doing so. And unlike music that doesn't pay super well, website design is a billion-dollar industry. The big dogs pay hundreds of thousands of dollars for their website, so I don't see why you couldn't charge over $100 for your AI website. The key to getting clients on freelancing sites like Fiverr is to first start by charging a lower than average price for your service so people choose you instead of other freelancers. Then as those customers leave reviews and you start to look more credible, you can increase your price. Next up is becoming a virtual assistant. This normally consists of the easiest jobs ever, like reading and responding to emails, scheduling things, organizing stuff, and other frivolous tasks that the business owner does not want to deal with. And what's crazy is becoming a VA could potentially pay you more than your job. Most VAs in America get paid $15 per hour minimum, which is double the minimum wage in some states. And if you get hired by a super wealthy and nice businessman, you may even be paid more, plus bonuses on top of your hourly wage. So if you have Wi-Fi, a willingness to help someone, and understand the basics of the internet, it's possible to make good money as a VA. Plus, you could do this after your main job for some extra income. The next way to make money is by selling your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to make 6 figures per year from your house by selling the skills or knowledge you already have. For example, if you've played the guitar your entire life, you could sell guitar lessons for $100, and you'd only need to do 1 lesson per week to make an extra $5,200 per year. And what's great is that applies for any skill you have. If you're good at something, you can sell it on Fiverr. Like say you make sick TikTok edits on CapCut, sell those edits. If you're a great singer, sell Zoom call singing tutorials. If you're a genius in history, tutor people struggling with history. I know every single one of y'all watching is really good at least one thing, so use that that skill to your advantage and monetize it as soon as possible. You don't even have to start on Fiverr if you don't want to. You can start in your local community by teaching athletes in your school how to play basketball better, tutoring students failing math, etc. And then as you start getting more clients, you can turn that side hustle into a full-on business by outsourcing work and creating your own website. And when you get to the point of creating your own website, I recommend using the sponsor of today's video, .online domain. Using a .online domain gives the audience an immediate impression of your brand's ability to cater to all of their customers' online needs. .online domains increase your brand's visibility due to their immense SEO value. Millions of small and big businesses use .online, and since .online domains are catchy, your customers are more likely to remember your brand, which could result in more sales. Plus, you're way more likely to get your exact brand name .online than you are to get your exact brand name .com. And right now, you can get your own .online domain for 99 cents for the first year by going to www.get.online and using code Logan, or by clicking the link in my description. Next up is getting paid by good old Mr. Tesla, aka Elon Musk, by posting on his new platform X. For those that haven't heard of X, it is basically the same thing as Twitter, but with less censorship thanks to Elon's massive balls. I personally don't use X because I never liked the app Twitter, but people in there are getting paid insane amounts of money if their content goes viral. This dude's first payment was over 6 figures at $107,247. This person got paid 11.5 grand. This dude got 200K in whatever currency that is. This guy got $15,000. And what's crazy is this isn't even gatekeep to famous creators with millions of followers. Any one of y'all watching this video could be paid these insane amounts by posting viral content on X. X is literally paying you up to 97% of the revenue your content generates, which is unheard of. YouTube pays 50%, Twitch pays like 30%, and Instagram pays you practically nothing. So this opportunity Elon is giving X members is amazing. The only requirements are you need to have 500 followers, be over 18, and have a Twitter Blue account, aka that paid verification subscription that everyone made memes about last year. With that said, $8 per month isn't bad at all, considering you have the chance to get tens of thousands of dollars. So if you believe you can get some tweets or videos to go viral on X, you might as well give this method a shot. The most you can lose is $8 a month. Next up is probably the easiest way to make money in this video. In fact, it's basically a free money glitch for anyone over 18. It's claiming investing app reward. How this works is investing apps like Webull want new members, so they pay people to sign up for their platform. All you have to do is sign up for Webull with the special affiliate link in my description, deposit some funds, then claim your free money. I'm pretty sure you can get anywhere from $18,000 to $18,000 in free stocks right now, but some months in the past have been up to $36,000. So read what their website says whenever you watch this video and follow those instructions to claim your funds before it's too late. The link is in my description. Next up is one of the first side hustles I made decent money from back in high school. It's selling print-on-demand clothing. How it works is you find or create a design related to something trendy like a holiday season, a famous actor, a sport, Hasbulla, etc. Then you'd go over to Teespring and put that design on any of their print-on-demand products, which include shirts, pants, hats, hoodies, mugs, and more. Then once you've created the clothing you want to sell, Teespring will build a sales page for you, and all you have to do is get people on that sales page so they'll buy your POD products, which will make you money. There is no risk of doing this because you can create the design for free on Canva, create the product for free on Teespring, then when people buy the clothing, Teespring takes care of shipping it to the customer and gives you a percentage of the profit. This is by far the best way to start a clothing brand because you don't have to spend thousands of dollars up front on inventory. And if you want to see me create a clothing brand from scratch and scale it to over $1,000 in 7 days, you can watch this video right here. I show you the entire process of starting a clothing brand as a beginner so you can do it too. Just click right here to watch it, and God bless.